What's up, YouTube? How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another earthquake review kit. I want to give a big shout out to Cascadia Quake Kits for sending me a 3-day pack and a 2-week emergency kit, which is going to be absolutely insane. So I hope you guys stick around. Come check out this earthquake kit. I'm going to give you my honest feedback, whether you should buy it, whether you should not buy it. Yeah, let's get right into it. I don't want to make this video way too long, but let's get into it. So we have a really nice red backpack. Again, red is that standard color for emergencies, and it really just makes it pop out, you know. So we're gonna open this up. I've been having mic problems, and I hope that's not an issue. I have my phone here so I can record some stuff while we okay, so we're getting started. We got a nice little bag here with a bunch of goodies, and we can start off with the big items with, oh, okay, look at this. It brings a really nice bottle. Oh, it's a filter and purifier. That's freaking cool. I already like this kit. This is starting to come out really cool. We got a bottle that filters and purifies the water, so it's meant for outdoors in case you got to find some water somewhere else. This is incredible. It holds 16.9 fluoro ounces, removes viruses, improves taste, and 10-second press, 3 liters per minute. Wow, this is awesome. Look at that. That's really cool. What a, you know, way to start it off. Let's see, what else do we have in here. We have, okay, we have an emergency drinking water, which is 1 liter, and this has a 20-year shelf life. Wow, that's incredible. So if you guys want to start stocking up on water, 20-year shelf life. This is absolutely incredible. I hope Cascadia Quake Kits has some of these by themselves. I'd probably go buy some right now. And then we got another baggie with some more goodies there. And the last thing here are some more of these emergency rations, which are 9 bars for 3 days, so three bars per day for food, which is pretty good. Very similar to what we saw in the other kit, but yeah, let's dig right in, start seeing what we got in here. Okay, so I think off the bat, this kit is pretty amazing. And we got a sticker. Yeah, that's what's up. We got some stickers. We got a flashlight with emergency siren and a radio. And is it hand cranked? Is it it's got an emergency. It does have an emergency siren, but this one is, oh yeah, you can hand crank it. Perfect. And it's battery as well. That's always good, just in case you run out of batteries. You got the hand crank ready to go. So we got a little hygiene pack here. Magic towel, bath wipes. I see a toothbrush, toothpaste, hand sanitizer. Yeah, you know, we can't live without the hand sanitizer, you know, these days. So really cool sanitation pack there. We also have a stormproof match kit. Wow. Okay, very cool. So we got some matches that are windproof, waterproof, and burn up to 15 seconds. In case you need matches outside. I definitely don't recommend lighting any matches inside your house after an earthquake, unless you make sure that the gas shut off line is off. But if you, in case you're outside and you have no other choice, those work nicely. We got some duct tape here. Very cool. We got a multi-tool. Love me some multi-tools. We got an all-weather notebook. Feels like I'm gonna do some geologic mapping out in the weather again. It's awesome. We got a first aid kit. Very nice, very nice. I'm not gonna open those. Sorry about all the background noise. I guess I'm still working. We got some of these waste bags. We got a whistle. Got to be ready for the whistle. We got a 50 feet paracord. Very nice. Excellent. We got 3 glow sticks. See, you can still party even after an earthquake. Oh, sorry. And we have, oh, that's so cool. We got a headlamp. This is awesome. I absolutely love headlamps, especially in the dark. And remember, you know, one of the things that you can anticipate after the next big earthquake is you will not have access to power, which means no light, no electricity, no light. And this is awesome. Brings the batteries, and it's an awesome headlamp. Cannot wait to use this when I go camping or something. Okay, very nice, very nice. We're gonna open this other bag and see what's in there. Looks like some we got some steaks. Oh, it's an emergency shelter. Wow, this is cool. So in case, you know, your house is not ready to go back in yet and it's still deemed unsafe, you got an emergency shelter to camp out. And remember, this pack is for one person, and I know Cascadia Quake, again, big shout out to them. They definitely make bigger sizes. Let's see what we got here. Emergency sleeping bag, very small and lightweight. What else do we have? We got a poncho, an emergency blanket. Wow, these are very, very cool. You can tell this stuff is legit too. We got good quality stuff. We got hand warmers and some more hand warmers. Oh, we got like 3 of them. Very nice. Very, very cool. I know I'm kind of like being pretty messy about all this stuff here, but I'm gonna repackage it back up and show you all the stuff here. We got some emergency goggles. Ooh, got some gloves. Can't forget the gloves. A mask. We all got masks everywhere now. Let's see. And yeah, that about completes it. Really, really good stuff here. Yeah, that's really cool. I love this bottle, man. I'm thinking to use it. That's a cool bottle. Yeah, so you can tell a lot of this stuff is quality stuff. Really, really good quality stuff that, you know, it's the difference between your tent flying away and not flying away on a stormy night. So really good comprehensive pack, and again, it's only meant for 3 days. But what I do want to highlight here are some of the good spots. Right, first of all, that bottle, amazing. Really ties in the kit together. I really like that they brought a headlamp as well. It's hard to do things with, you know, carrying a flashlight, but having a headlamp, you know, you just strap it on and you got your 2 hands. You can do a ton of stuff in the dark, you know, especially if this emergency happens in the middle of the night, right, when you have no light. We also do have the flashlight, dual radio alarm, which is excellent as well. And we do have 1 liter of water. I can see why 1 liter is, you know, I could drink a liter in like 20 minutes. So the lack of water, you know, this is definitely not enough water for 3 days. But I feel like this kit makes it up with the bottle. You know, a way to purify some of that water, even if it's like been sitting in the sun and stuff like that, or you got to get it from a lake or a pond, whatever the situation is. I like that. But again, 3-day packs are still very limited when it comes to like storing things like water. That I feel like everybody should have. Everybody should be storing up for water, and that should be an automatic. I like the multi-tool. Notice how there's no candle in here. I do think candles are one of those items that not every emergency kit should have, only because there's the threat of gas leaks and stuff like that. And like I said, having a candle is okay as long as you know exactly what to do and how to check that you don't have any gas leaks before lighting anything up. I did see we had some matches, so the matches can be used for outside, any situation where you might be outside. Yeah, we got the hand warmers. I like the tent. and the sleeping bag, you know, got you something ready to go in case you can't go to sleep at your house and stuff like that. So they also include a list of what's in the kit by itself, you know. So that's pretty cool. Again, big shout out to Cascadia Quake Kits. So honestly, I really cannot think of anything that this kit is actually missing. I think it has all the essentials, everything you actually need, and more. Honestly, there's so much good stuff here that this kit is excellent for your car, for your office at work, for your office at home. You can even have a few of these at your house. And like I mentioned, I guess I don't even want to say it's an issue. The only thing is the lack of water for 3 days. But I think that's like really hard to do in an earthquake kit for 3 days. Water is one of those things everybody should have, like at your office, at your car, and your house, especially in your house, right? And then, just a reminder for you guys, the recommended water stored amount is 1 gallon per person per household, right, for 2 weeks. So for example, if you have 2 people living in your house, you want to have 2 gallons for those 2 people, and you want to have 2 gallons per day for 2 weeks. So 14 times 2, you want to have around 28 gallons of water, and that's to cook, clean, drink, and all the other uses there. So I really like this earthquake kit. Honestly, I give it a 9.5 out of 10. If there was some magical way to get a ton of water in here, it'd be a 10 out of 10. But I think solid 9.5 out of 10. It's a really good one. And yeah, if you guys want to get something small to get started, if you want to have something for your office, for your car, I highly recommend this earthquake kit. It's really well packed, a lot of quality material here. It's just not a bunch of cheap stuff, which is always good to see in an earthquake kit. Careful choosing of the product and quality over quantity, right? And with that, yeah, I highly recommend this earthquake kit. I'm excited to have one myself, and yeah, good, way to go, Cascadia Quake Kits. You guys did an awesome job here. I'm very happy to see that you guys are producing quality earthquake kits here. So with that being said, that wraps up this video, but you're not gonna want to miss the next video. We have a 2-week, that's right, 2-week earthquake kit, also sent to me courtesy of Cascadia Quake Kits. Big shout out to them, guys. Go show them some love. If you're on the edge about buying an earthquake kit, now's the time. You definitely go check them out. They're amazing products. I really do like this stuff here. But next video is gonna be, we're gonna review what a 2-week essential kit looks like, and I'm really excited to make that video for you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys drop a comment, drop a like, and let me know what was your favorite part. Do you think they're missing anything from here? Let me know in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Remember, my name is Earthquake Dude. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, Earthquake_Dude. Much love, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.